All right, back from class. Went to class. Today was spent mostly on the roof helping install or place solar panels, 6 big residential solar panels. We're doing 3 solar panels that are 305 watts. We're doing those in series, and then we're doing 3 panels that are 325 watts. We're doing those in series. We're gonna wire them into 2 separate MPPT controllers. So yeah, trying to place these big old panels up on the roof and find spots for them is what we were doing most of the day, and making sure they're gonna fit. Learning a lot, this is great. But yeah, today was just spent mostly crawling around on the roof and pretty worn out. Yeah, not much to really say today. I'm still super excited to be here. Teachers are still great. All the students are still great. We're having fun. Everybody's working together and learning. So yeah, small update today, unless you want me to blab on. Went to the store afterwards, and now I'm gonna cook myself some dinner. Then I'm gonna edit this video.